What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial video, I will be teaching you how to add shadow effect to any image using Canva. First, open Canva and then go to the image or design that you want to add a shadow. For the design I'll be using is 2000px by 2000px. Now, I'll be adding a simple background here. After that, insert the photo that you want. And once you have added the photo, tap the photo and then go to the Edit Photo option above. Choose Remove Background. Once you've removed the background, adjust the position and size of the photo or whatever you prefer. Next thing to do is to duplicate the photo. Tap on the photo and press the duplicate button above the photo. After that, make the second photo a little bit bigger compared to the first one. Look for duotone under the effects option and tap it. Now scroll down to the bottom part and choose the mono effect. After that, go back and then look for the blur option and just adjust the intensity. Next, hit the adjust option above. Scroll down to brightness. Reduce the brightness to make it darker. After that, tap the position button above and send the second photo backward. Readjust the position of the shadow to your liking and you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.